Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about China importation business. If you need to pay your Chinese supplier, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how you can use Alipay to pay your Chinese supplier without any stress. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business using 1688, pinduoduo, Idlefish, or any Chinese e-commerce platform, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China without any stress. So with that being said, let me show you how.
Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to simply pay your supplier in China using Alipay. Let me show you how. The very first thing we want to do is to open up our Alipay app. Having opened up your Alipay app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on scan right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on album. Select your supplier QR code payment. Hit on done. In a few seconds, it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to enter the amount you are sending to the supplier in China right here. So I'm going to simply enter the amount straight up. So I'm sending 248 yen to this particular supplier. So having entered the amount, next thing we need to do is to simply click on pay right here. Then I'll enter my payment password. Payment done, successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply make a screenshot of this particular successful payment. Then having made a screenshot, then I have to send the proof of payment to the person that asked me to make payment for them. So I have to head over to my WhatsApp. So right here, I'm going to simply click on here to open up my WhatsApp. Then here's the person that asked me to pay to their supplier in China. So I'm going to simply open our conversation. Then you can see from the top right here how everything gets started. Our chat right here. Good morning. So I need to pay supplier in China. So I had some questions, and this is our conversations right here, just like what you see right here. And this is where I made a calculation of how much they are going to pay me in Naira in exchange of yuan and the account to make payment into. So scroll down right here. This is the proof of payment of the person that want me to pay for them to their Chinese supplier. And these are the details right here. And just like what you see right here. And this is the supplier account number right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to simply click on here now to bring out the proof of payment that the money has been successfully paid to the supplier. Payment made successfully to the supplier account. Then I will send with the proof of payment. It's that simple. So this is the amount we are sending to the supplier from the screenshot right here. This is the amount we are sending to the supplier. So exactly what the supplier gets after the payment is done, just like what you see right here. If this is what exactly you need, you can contact me on my WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. If you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you more about China importation business or Alipay related content, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.